Good morning students, Hina teacher here. Today we are going to study English subject.
So students, today we are going to read and understand chapter number 3, Shadow and Carly. In this chapter, Shadow and Carly, we are going to learn about a theme that is love and friendship. This chapter tells us that even pets have emotions. They too love and care about their fellow beings. Even when they are annoyed, they don't hurt anyone. They too need a home. They also want to be loved and cared for. Okay, so Shadow and Carly are two friends. These are cats. And we are going to learn how cats or animals also love each other and care for each other. Let us first go through the warm up exercise that is given in the chapter here. So, what is it telling us? Do you have a pet? Okay, it is asking us, do you have a pet? Identify the pets shown below and tick the pet you have. If you do not have pet, tick the one you would like to adopt. So, what is it telling us? Do you have a pet? Okay, if you have a pet, which pet do you have? Pet animal? You have a cat. Do you have a dog? If you have a parrot, cow, rabbit or fish. Do you have any of the pets at your home? Okay, if you have a pet at your home, which pet? Whether you have a cat, you have a dog, you have a parrot, whichever you have, tick that pet. Okay, and if you don't have that pet, which pet animal would you like to adopt or you would want to have at your home? I have a fish tank at home, so I tick the fish. For example, you have a cat at home, you can tick the cat. If you have a dog at home, you can tick a dog. If you don't have any pet animal and you would like to in the future adopt or have any pet in your home, you can tick any one of these. Okay, so now let us go and read the chapter and understand it. Read this story about how caring and loving cats can be. So what this story will tell us that cats are also caring and loving, and what it means to have a home where you are loved and cared for. So what this chapter is going to tell us that what a home means to people also and to animals also. If you have a home, you will feel loved and cared. If you don't have a home, you will feel very lonely. Lonely means akelapan. Okay, so let us start reading. Okay, let me tell you first that this chapter is being narrated. Narrated means saying. Okay, this goodbye Shadow and everything, the chapter is being told by the cat Shadow. Okay, the Shadow is telling us the story. Okay, Shadow is narrating the story. So let us start reading. Goodbye Shadow, Peggy said as her family dropped me off at the cat shelter. Okay, so who is Peggy? Peggy is a girl that you see in this picture. She is crying. Okay, she is Peggy. Her name is Peggy. Okay, so Shadow was her pet cat. Whose pet cat was Shadow? Peggy's. Okay, Peggy is a girl and Shadow is her pet cat. Okay, so Peggy is telling goodbye to Shadow. Shadow is the pet cat of Peggy, and Peggy's family is dropping Shadow off. Dropped me off means they are leaving Shadow at the cat shelter. Now why they are leaving? Let us read. I know you'll find a good home soon. I am sorry. I am allergic to you. Now who is saying this? Peggy is saying. Peggy is saying this to Shadow. What is she saying? That I know you'll find a good home soon. Peggy knows that Shadow will find a good home very soon, and Peggy cannot keep Shadow with her. Why? Because she is allergic to cats. Now what does allergic means? Allergic means that she is sensitive. When Shadow is with Peggy, Peggy feels very itching. Peggy feels itching in her body. Okay, she can't bear the cats or the hair of the cats. So sometimes doctor asks you, are you allergic to something? Some children are allergic to dust also. Dust allergy, have you heard about? If you go out on the road and there is too much dust, you will start sneezing. So that is called allergic. Okay, so Peggy was allergic to cats, so she could not keep Shadow with her. So they are now dropping Shadow at a cat shelter. Okay, she held me tight and her tears hit my fur. Who held tight? Peggy is holding Shadow very tightly. She is hugging Shadow the cat, and Peggy is crying. You can see in the picture how Peggy is crying and her tears. Okay, tears means aansu hit my fur. Whose fur? Shadow's fur. Okay, Peggy is holding Shadow and Peggy is crying. Why Peggy is crying? Because she has to leave Shadow at the cat shelter. Okay, I couldn't bear to see her so sad, so I told myself it was the allergy that made her eyes so wet. Now, who is saying this? Shadow is saying this. What is Shadow telling us? I couldn't bear. I couldn't bear means मैं बर्दाश्त नहीं कर पा रही थी. Bear means बर्दाश्त करना. Okay? I couldn't bear to see her so sad. So Shadow could not see that Peggy is so sad. So what is Shadow telling herself? Shadow is telling herself that Peggy is crying because she has got a allergy into her eyes. That is why her eyes are so wet. Okay? वो अपने आप को समझा रही है. कौन समझा रही है? Shadow. Shadow is telling herself that Peggy is crying because she has got an allergy and that is why her eyes are so wet. Eyes are wet means Peggy is crying. Okay? Now see, Peggy is telling something to Shadow. What is she telling? Always remember that I love you and I want you to find another special human. Okay, what is Peggy telling Shadow? That always remember that I love you. Peggy is telling Shadow that she loves her and I want you to find another special human. Now what is a special human? Special human, cats are like they love the cats very much. Okay, like Peggy is a special human for Shadow because she loves Shadow very much. Like that, some special human being will also come who will love Shadow very much. The shelter is nice, but a cat needs a forever home. What is Peggy telling Shadow? That this shelter is also very nice, but a cat needs a forever home. Forever home means where the cat can live forever. Forever means always. A cat needs to belong somewhere, she said. Who said? Peggy said to Shadow. What did she say? A cat needs to belong. Belong means like we belong to our parents. We are our parents' children. The same way, the cat should also belong to someone. Belong means किसी का होना. Okay? हम हमारे पेरेंट्स के बच्चे हैं. The same way, the cat is also a pet animal to somebody. So this sentence means a cat needs to belong somewhere. Okay? वो cat को भी किसी का pet होना चाहिए. So the cat will feel very nice. Okay? After she left, my eyes were overflowing somehow. Okay? Who left? Peggy left. Okay? After she left. Who is she? She is Peggy. After she left, my eyes were overflowing. Overflowing means Shadow was crying. Somehow. After she left, my eyes were overflowing somehow. Maybe I was allergic to other cats. So what is Shadow thinking? She is thinking that she is crying because she is allergic to other cats. They were everywhere. So there were cats everywhere. Why there were cats everywhere? Because it was a cat shelter. That is why the cats were everywhere. Okay? A cat sniffed me, then nudged my side. Who is saying this? Shadow is saying this. So another cat sniffed at Shadow. Sniffed means smelled. Okay, like we smell the food, like we like a food, we smell like this. So this way the another cat sniffed at Shadow, then nudged my side. Whose side? Shadow's side. So what is meaning of nudged? Touching gently, touching slowly. Okay, so another cat, what did that cat do to Shadow? It smelled the cat and touched Shadow very gently, very slowly. Now what is that cat asking Shadow? Are you okay? She asked. Okay, another cat is asking Shadow, are you okay? Of course, I said, backing away. Who is saying this? Shadow is saying. What is Shadow saying? Of course. That means, yes, I am alright. Okay, I said. Who is saying this? Shadow is saying this. Backing away. Backing away means going little back. Okay. She looked me straight in the eye and I knew she understood me. Now that another cat is looking into Shadow's eyes and that another cat has understood that Shadow is lying. Shadow is not alright. Okay. I was embarrassed that she saw me cry. Now what is the meaning of embarrassed? Embarrassed means sharm ana. Okay. Not feeling good. Okay. I was embarrassed. Embarrassed means not feeling good, feeling shy. I was embarrassed that she saw me cry. That another cat saw that Shadow was crying. I had a cold when I came in too, she said. Now the other cat is telling Shadow that she also had a cold. Cold means आपको जुकाम होता है ना, that is called cold. So that cat is saying that I had a cold when I came in too. Okay, that cat is saying that when I also came into the shelter, I was also feeling the same way. It's an allergy, I replied. Now Shadow is saying that it's an allergy. Allergy, I have already told what is meant by allergy. Okay, it's an allergy, I replied. Now Shadow is saying that I am not crying, I have got an allergy. Well, you'll feel better tomorrow and better each day after that. I am Carly. Now who is that other cat? That other cat is Carly. Name of that cat is Carly. So what is Carly telling to Shadow? Well, you will feel better tomorrow. Tomorrow means the next day. And better each day after that. Now day after day you will start feeling better and you will adjust to this new cat shelter. This is what Carly is telling Shadow. Now they are becoming friends. They are introducing each other. Now that cat said that her name is Carly. Now Shadow is introducing herself. I am Shadow. We touched noses to complete the introduction. Now how we introduce each other? We shake hands or we say namaste to each other and we do our introduction and then we tell our names. Here what they are saying to introduce each other, they are touching each other's noses to complete the introduction. Alright. I'll show you around. I've been here almost 2 years, she said. Who is saying this? Carly is saying. Carly is telling to Shadow that, come, I will show you the cat shelter. And Carly is here at the cat shelter from the past 2 years. 2 years. I knew I couldn't be without a family for that long. Now Shadow is saying that 2 years is too much. Okay, बहुत लंबा time है and Shadow is thinking that I cannot live without a family for 2 years. Okay, she wants to be adopted as early as possible. Carly introduced me to everyone. Now Carly is introducing Shadow to everyone. Now listen to the names of other cats. Isabel, Theo, Scamp. Okay. What are the names of the other cats here? Isabel, Theo, Scamp. She said, you like it in here. We aren't kept in cages and we can stay until we find forever homes, even if it takes years. Now who said? Carly said to Shadow. What is Carly saying to Shadow?
you will like it in here, that you are going to like this place, don't worry, it is a nice place, and that cats are not kept in cages here. Have you been to zoos? Have you seen animals kept in cages in the zoos? So Carly is saying that we are not going to be in cages here, we can freely move here and there, and we can stay in this cat shelter until till the time we find forever homes. Forever homes, I have already told you what are forever homes. Homes where you will stay as pet cat forever. Forever means till the time you live. Even if it takes years, even if it takes many years, you can stay in this cat shelter. I settled in and found a bed next to a cat tree. Okay, so now Shadow is telling that I have settled down in this cat shelter and Shadow has found a bed to sleep next to a cat tree. Now what is a cat tree? A cat tree is a small wooden tree like structure made for cats to play. Okay, it is not actually a tree, it is made out of wood into a structure of a tree where cats can play. I felt odd. I was used to sleeping by Peggy. Okay, now Shadow is saying that I felt odd. Odd means she is not feeling nice. Now what is she used to? Sleeping by Peggy. She used to sleep next to Peggy. Okay, now since Peggy has left her at the cat shelter, she has to sleep by her own self. The next morning, a boy and his mom came in. Okay, now next day has come. Who has come to the cat shelter? A boy and his mom. The boy patted me, then walked away. Patted means moving hands on the cats or animals. आप प्यार करते हो pets को? The same way, moving hand with love very gently and slowly on the animals. Okay, so that boy patted Shadow and then walked away. I knew he must be filling out the adoption papers. So what Shadow is telling that she knows that the boy is filling out. Filling out means filling the form. Have you seen your parents filling out some forms, filling the bank papers or filling your admission form, putting all the details inside? So these are the adoption papers. Now what is meant by adoption? Adoption is taking someone. Okay, have you all heard about adopting cats? Okay, taking them legally. Okay, you have to fill an adoption paper that now this cat or this dog or any animal that you adopt is ours. So now Shadow is thinking that that boy and his mom are filling the adoption papers. I just imagined hands would pick me up and put me in a carrier. Now what is Shadow thinking? Imagine means thinking. So what is Shadow thinking? That some hands will come, some people will come, pick Shadow up and put them in a carrier. Carrier is a basket used to carry the animals or the cats here and there. But the boy picked up Isabel. Now that boy adopted Isabel but not Shadow. Okay. Of course he would want her. She was beautiful. My colors are in odd patterns. Now what is Shadow saying? That of course this Isabel looks so beautiful. Okay, she is very beautiful. That is why that boy has picked Isabel and not Shadow. Why not Shadow? Because Shadow's colors are in odd patterns, not very good looking. Okay. Congratulations, Isabel. I'll miss you, but I am happy for you, I said. Now what is Shadow telling Isabel? Congratulations. Okay. Congratulations, Isabel. Shadow is now going to miss Isabel, but Shadow is also happy for Isabel that Isabel has got a forever home now. Maybe we need to groom some more, I suggested to Carly. Now what is the meaning of groom? Groom means to keep oneself neat and tidy. Okay, to bath every day, to clean, to cut our nails, to clean our hairs. That is meant, that is called grooming. Okay, so what is Shadow telling Carly? That maybe we need to groom some more. We will have to keep ourselves more clean and tidy. Okay, Shadow and Carly are talking to each other. The next morning, I groomed until my tongue was as dry as fresh litter. Now, what is Shadow doing? Shadow wants herself to get adopted as quickly as possible. So now she is trying to groom herself. How is she grooming herself? Using her tongue. Of course, the cats and dogs and all the animals cannot use comb and they can't bath by their own self. So how they groom themselves? They use their tongues to dry out their hairs and clean their hair and their fur. And what is now Shadow after getting groomed? Shadow is feeling like she is as dry. Dry means sukha. Okay, as dry as fresh litter. Litter means kachra. Okay, garbage. A girl and her dad came in. Now who has come in? A girl and her dad, father. Okay. The girl threw a fur mouse and I pounced on it to prove I was a good mouse catcher. Now cats are famous for catching mouse, rats. Okay. So that the girl that came in to the cat shelter, what did she do? She threw. Threw means throw. Okay. Past tense of throw is threw. So the girl threw a fur mouse. Fur mouse means made of fur. Okay. She threw a fur mouse near Shadow and Shadow pounced. Pounced means jumped onto that cat to prove that Shadow is a good mouse catcher. That Shadow can catch the mouse very nicely and quickly. After watching this, the girl and her dad walked away. I just knew hands would pick me up and put me in a carrier. But the girl picked up Theo. Now again, like the previous case, here also Shadow is thinking like this girl would come up, pick me up and put me in a carrier and get me adopted. But what did they do? Whom did they adopt? They adopted Theo. First Isabel got adopted and now Theo has got adopted. Of course, she would want him. He was talkative. Now what is Shadow telling that? Of course they will take Theo only. Why they will take Theo? Because he is very talkative. Okay. Now again, what is Shadow telling Theo? Congratulations Theo. I'll miss you but I am happy for you. The same thing that Shadow told Isabel, here she is also telling Theo. Congratulations Theo. I will miss you but I am very happy for you that you have got a forever home. I made more friends but lost them when they found homes. Now Shadow is making new friends every day but they are getting adopted and then she is losing them. Lost them means losing them. Why she is losing them? Because they are getting adopted. They have found homes. Carly was always there to play with me though. But Carly was also not getting adopted. So Carly was always there with Shadow to play. Every time I think of how much I wanted a home and a special human friend, that old allergy comes back to my eye. What is Shadow telling them? Every time she is thinking that she wants a home, somebody will come and adopt her, she will also find a special human friend. That old allergy. Old allergy means she starts crying. She calls crying as allergy. She does not tell everyone that she is crying. She says that she has got some allergy and that is why her eyes become wet. Okay. She is shy to tell everyone that she is crying. So she tells that I have got some allergy, that is why my eyes get wet. Then I remembered what Peggy told me, that someone would adopt me and Peggy never ever lied to me. Then she remembers what she remembers, that Peggy, okay, Peggy who was her earlier special human friend at whose home Shadow was staying and whose pet Shadow was. Okay, so what did Peggy tell Shadow? That someone will someday come and adopt you and Peggy never ever lied to me. Lied means झूठ बोलना. Peggy would never lie to Shadow. Okay. We tried to get adopted. We saw lots of people but no one chose us. Okay. So what is Shadow telling? That we tried to get adopted. How they tried to get adopted? They were keeping themselves well groomed. They were behaving very nicely. Okay. So they were trying that somebody else would come and adopt them, but they were not getting adopted. We saw lots of people, but no one chose us. Chose means to choose. Chose is the past tense of choose. Okay, nobody was choosing them, nobody was taking them for adoption. One early spring morning, Carly woke me up with happy anniversary. You have been my friend for a year. Now what happens? One day in the spring season, Carly is waking up Shadow and telling her that happy anniversary. When do we say anniversary? When we complete 1 year. Okay? Happy anniversary. You have been my friend for a year. Now it has been 1 year that Shadow is staying in the cat shelter, but she has not been adopted. She meant to be nice, but I wasn't happy. How had I not found a home in a whole year? I decided to sleep all day. Now, when Carly wished happy anniversary to Shadow, she was not happy. Who? Who was not happy? Shadow was not happy. Why? Carly was being very nice to her and wishing her happy anniversary, but Shadow was not happy. Why she was not happy? She was sad because she thought that it has been a whole year, 1 full year, but still she has not been able to find a home. So she was very sad and she decided to sleep all day. Around lunchtime, lunchtime of the cats and the office people, lunchtime is usually at 1 p.m. So around that time, a human being sat down and put me on her lap. Somebody came, picked up Shadow and put Shadow on her lap. So it was a girl, and that girl carried Shadow and put on her lap. I refused to snuggle. Okay, now Shadow is refusing to snuggle. Snuggle means to sit properly. Okay, now Shadow is not sitting properly. Why? Because she is sad. Because she is sad because she thought that she is not yet been able to find a home for herself. It's been a whole year. I heard a carrier door jangle. Okay, I heard, who heard? Shadow heard a carrier. Carrier, I already told you, it's a basket which carries cats here and there. So what did she hear? Door jangle. Door jangle means it's a little bell which makes noise. Okay, like a keychain that you have which makes noise, the same way. So she heard a carrier door. That carrier, that basket had a door. You had to open that door and put the cat inside the carrier. Okay, so some Shadow heard a carrier door jangle, but I wouldn't look to see which friend was leaving. Now that girl had come. Okay, now she had come to adopt a cat. Now Shadow was so sad that she was not looking at which cat was getting adopted. Okay, she was looking somewhere else only because she was very sad. Bye Shadow. Now somebody is telling bye to Shadow. Bye Shadow, I finally have a home, but I will really miss you. You are my best friend. Somebody is telling Shadow that bye, she is going, she finally has got a home, somebody has adopted her, and she is going to really miss Shadow, and Shadow is her best friend. Now who is telling this? I couldn't congratulate her, I couldn't say goodbye. Okay, so can we guess who this cat is? This cat is Carly. Okay, now Carly is getting adopted. So again Shadow has become more sad because her best friend is leaving her. So Shadow could not say congratulations to her like she said to Isabel and Theo. She is not saying anything to Carly. Why? Because she is now more sad because her best friend is going. Now what did Shadow do? Instead, I did something I'd never done before. Now uh, instead of saying congratulations to her friend, what Shadow did? Shadow did something that she has never done before. What did she do? Let us read. I extended my claws. Extended means to bring forward, to bring ahead. Okay, she extended my claws. Claws means the hands or the four legs, the legs that are in front of the cat, like this. She extended her claws like this. Okay, and scratched. Scratched means khurachna. Okay, like this, and scratched. What did she scratch? I scratched the couch. Couch means the sofa. The wallpaper. Okay. So she is very sad, Shadow, and what is she doing? She is extending her claws and scratching. What is she scratching? She is scratching the couch. Couch means the sofa, the wallpaper. I scratched everything I could. Okay. Everything that is coming in between, whatever she is seeing, she is scratching that thing, because she is very sad and angry because her best friend is leaving her and she is not getting any home. Okay, so she scratched the couch, she scratched the wallpaper, she scratched everything she could except a cat or a human. Okay, she did not hurt a cat or a human being, she is only scratching non-living things. Even when I am upset, I never hurt anyone. What is Shadow saying? That I am a good cat even when I am upset. Upset means sad. Okay, she does not hurt anyone, she only scratches some non-living things. Someone called my name. I just knew I was in trouble. Now someone called Shadow. So Shadow thought that because she is scratching something, she is going to be in trouble. Trouble means problem. A pair of hands picked me up and put me in a carrier. Now she got picked up by somebody and she is being put in a carrier. At last I was being adopted. Now Shadow is also getting adopted. He's the cutest, sweetest cat here, said the girl whose lap I had been on. Now Shadow is getting adopted and that girl who had picked up Shadow and set her on her lap, now what is she saying about Shadow? That he is the cutest and the sweetest. Okay, cutest and sweetest of all the cats that are in the cat shelter. Our other new cat is cute and sweet too, said the boy. Now there are two people, one girl and one boy. So they have adopted another cat also, and that boy is saying that the other cat that we have adopted is also cute and sweet, said the boy. I'd say it's a tie. What is meant by a tie? Tie means that when no one is a winner. Okay, it's a tie. They took me to the car and Carly was already there. Now this girl and the boy are taking Shadow to their car. They opened the car, put Shadow inside, and what is Shadow seeing? That Carly is already inside that car. We were being adopted together. Now Shadow and Carly are getting adopted together. She winked at me. Winked means aankh marna, okay? I winked back. So Carly and Shadow are winking at each other. And amazingly means surprisingly, we never got allergies again. Now what is the definition of allergy according to Shadow? What does Shadow tell allergy? According to Shadow, allergy means to cry. And now because Carly and Shadow are together in their forever home, so they have never got allergies again. They have never cried again. Have you understood this chapter? Now let us see the textbook exercise. Choose the correct option. Whose family dropped Shadow off at the shelter? Carly's family, Peggy's family, or Theo's family? Peggy's family. So who was Peggy? The girl who dropped Shadow at the cat shelter. Okay. Now read the second one. Shadow told himself that it was the fever that made Peggy's eyes wet, allergy that made Peggy's eyes wet, or the strong wind that made Peggy's eyes wet. So Shadow told himself that it was the allergy that made Peggy's eyes wet. Okay. Who was Shadow's first friend at the shelter? Who was Shadow's first friend at the shelter? Carly, Peggy, or Theo? So it was Carly. Who was adopted first? Isabel, Scamp, or Shadow? It was Isabel, because Shadow thought that Isabel was very beautiful. For how long were Shadow and Carly not adopted? For a fortnight. Fortnight means 14 days. Okay. For a month or for a year. So they were not adopted for a year. How do you know that? because Carly wished Shadow happy anniversary. Okay, children, I hope you all have understood this exercise also, and I will send the other exercises in the next class.